Hey guys, what is up? This is Kelly with Green Touch Industries, TrailerRacks.com, and I am here to talk to you about our newest product that we have in our warehouse right now and is ready to ship to you. It is our PGO011, which is our Piranha Garage Organizer, and right here I have one, and we are going to unbox it right now for you. Now, you can hold anything on this. It's perfect for organizing your fishing rods and reels, your hand tools, shovels, rakes, hedge trimmers, grass trimmers, anything, you name it. This bad boy can hold it. Now, also, this has steel core construction. It's a super durable product. It's a vinyl coating, and it is weatherproof. So it's perfect for rain or shine. Now, let's get to unboxing it. So, already packaged, perfect. Now, it comes with these screws here, so you can screw it right into your walls, and it's perfect for those concrete walls and your super durable screws, and you have the holders right in there. Now, this is a little bit heavy. So here you go. Here is the organizer. Push it around right here so you can see it. And bam, this is your garage organizer.